What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is what happens when you stop making payments. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
Here's what happens when you refuse to get out of a vehicle that's being repoed.
In the process of putting the dollars on.
She came out and said it.
Came out? Yeah.
What's it, it's just like a repossessed car, like it wasn't paid for or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Okay, let's get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Why not?
Because I'm in the car and it's on, and it's illegal to tow a car that's on.
That's
with
not.
a person in it.
That's not
Yes,
true. Not
yes, it is.
Okay, so listen. So.
No.
Oh.
Yes.
So the only option
I
we're
haven't done anything illegal, and this car is under registration, and there's nothing wrong with this car.
Okay, so listen. The only way we're gonna be able to deal with this is you're gonna have to come out of the car, okay?
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
So you're just gonna sit in the car all day?
I'm in the car, it's on. He's towing an illegal car. He's doing an illegal tow.
He's not.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
He hasn't shown any documents, and I don't own, this car is not owned to anybody but a Paul Wilson.
Who's Paul Wilson?
Paul Wilson is the person who is registered to this car.
Okay, so then get out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
Let me see your ID.
No.
You're not gonna show me that either? Okie dokie. Well, get a nice blue team here. Just want to see that van real quick. That's a CK. Alright, I see that's the same car. Just so, because I'm about to have to rip out of the car here. Just making sure. So, this car has not been paid for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cargo.
Okay. And you were just driving and it pops up, or?
So yeah, so the cameras, he found it at Walmart.
It pops, yeah, it does all the
He sat with it at Walmart, and he got the order. And when I was almost there, he drove here, and he locked to get out, and I came.
Okay, yeah. I'm just getting all my ducks in a row before okay. I'm gonna get her out and just waiting for another person. We'll take her out, all right? I'll try to do this without damaging the vehicle, but what is what it is. Yep. I'm giving you another command to get out of the vehicle. If you do not get out of the vehicle, I will be extracting you from the vehicle.
It's illegal.
It's not. I'm giving.
I haven't broken any
I'm letting
laws.
you know. I'm giving you 4 commands now.
I have not broken any laws. I'm parked in my car.
Ma'am?
It's running.
Ma'am?
It's running. No.
This
is illegal. This is an illegal. No.
I'm just giving you the warning.
Yeah, just give her the warning, man, because if it was me, listen, you could talk that, it's illegal, this, that, and the third. Listen, you got about 5 minutes until my backup comes, because once my backup comes, it's on and popping in here like popcorn, you feel me? So you better act right. If you don't want to act right, they're going to get you to act right. You don't want to come out the car? Okay, no problem. Don't worry about it. We're going to wait till backup gets here. You're going to come out that car one way or another.
Right?
It's illegal tow.
It is not.
Pay your bills.
Yes, it is.
I verified everything.
No,
I need you out of the car.
This is an illegal tow.
You are subject to arrest if you do not get out of the car.
Sir, this is an illegal tow.
Okay. I've given you way too many warnings.
No, sir.
I have.
This is an illegal tow.
Okay.
And you will be responsible for your actions.
Okay.
You do an illegal tow. He hasn't shown any documents, and there are no payments owed on this vehicle, sir.
I'm letting you know.
Sir, you're doing an illegal tow.
Okay.
You're doing an illegal tow.
This can be all resolved if you just get out of the car.
I haven't broken any laws here.
Okay.
I've broken no laws.
All
You
right.
as an official should know this.
Okie dokie.
Where's your badge?
I'm literally wearing it.
Where is it? I don't see it.
Right here.
That's not a metal badge.
Right here.
Okay. So you're an official.
I sure am.
Okay,
And I'm asking you out of the car.
Truth and high honor, no?
Okay.
Truth and
I'm
high
not going to
honor.
argue.
Truth and high honor, no?
Let me give
Has he showed you any documentation? He hasn't showed you any documentation, sir. Truth and high honor, sir.
You're going to have to get out of the car.
Truth and high honor. Hold your truth and high honor, sir. Hold your truth and high honor.
Are you going to unlock the car?
Sir, hold your truth and high honor. sir.
All right, you going to unlock the car?
Hold your truth and high honor, sir.
Okie dokie. Car's locked. Carino's on the way. I'm gonna go passenger side, baton, to break the window to get her out. She's not unlocked in the car, and she's literally super uncooperative. So from when I do that, I'll be able to unlock it. If you wanted to stay on the driver's side, just so you can grab the handle real quick, or however you want to do it. But I think.
Sergeant Gilbert?
Yeah, he said she's got to get out of the car. So he doesn't have a key. I mean, just double check. Hey, you don't have any. Okay. I've given her like 10 commands, dude. So.
And we need to come out of the car.
No, I'm not coming out of the car.
Out of the car.
Sir, I have not broken any law.
Okay.
I have not broken. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my Lord. I've done
Stay
nothing.
right here.
I've done nothing wrong here,
Keep
sir.
your hands behind your back.
Now, isn't that amazing how fast you got out that car? Once that glass shattered, now you gonna hop up out that car. You realize things just got real. Oh yeah, you thought you was gonna stay in that car all day and they wasn't gonna tow it? They were just gonna magically leave? Not today.
And we need to come out of the car.
No, I'm not coming out of the car.
Out of the car.
Sir, I have not broken any law.
Okay.
I have not broken.
Okay, you don't wanna act right? Bow! Oh! Act right, boy.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my Lord. I've done
Stay
nothing.
right here.
I've done nothing wrong here,
Keep
sir.
your hands behind your back.
I've done nothing wrong. I've done nothing wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, stop resisting,
I'm
ma'am.
not resisting.
Stop pulling away.
I am not pulling away.
Pulling away. Stop.
No, I'm not, sir. Sir, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Divine.
And do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Any knives, guns, or anything like that? Come with me.
3 up to 2. Reclass of signal 19. I'll have a white.
2 Alpha 29 safety. 1050 NBT 8000 B line, right through.
3 Alpha 29 signal 51.
Oh, stay like that for me. Nothing else anywhere, right? All right, spread your feet for me real quick.
They got her together, boy. They got her together real quick.
Thank you.
The suspect was charged with trespassing, as well as obstructing an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.